Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and if you guys didn't know this, I am a giant Disney fanatic. I love Disney. I love going to Disney World. I love surrounding myself in Disney things. I love representing Disney and wearing cute Disney clothes and collecting really cute Disney stuff. And I like to collect ears, and I like to collect Tsum Tsums and little dolls, and of course some of my favorite things to collect are the Disney pens. Now I personally am not a pen trader, but I really love collecting pens. I like to put them on display. Behind me you see I have two of my displays here. They're some of my favorite things, and I love to wear them as accessories for outfits or for my Disney bounce when I go to the parks, because I am an annual pass holder. I go to the park a lot, and I really think just a little pin adds a cute little touch to your Disney bound. I love them so much, and I am a big collector of them. But I know they can get kind of expensive to keep buying them, so one of my favorite things to do is to go on eBay and buy huge lots of pin trader like lots, and it's like a surprise and it's fun, and I get like 25 pins for like 15 bucks, which is like the same price as buying one even with my discount. I really love doing this, and it's kind of like a treat yourself thing, and it's a fun little surprise because you never know what you're gonna get, and sometimes you get really awesome pins, and then of course you get ones that are pin trading. Since I don't pin trade, I give them to my cousins who do, so I'm like, hey guys, these ones aren't ones I want to keep, but you guys can put these along and trade them with whoever you want. I know maybe one day I'll start pin trading, but for me it's just a cute little collection just to add to show my love for Disney. So let's go. So I have a new order in here, and let's just open it up. I thought this would be kind of fun because it's like a mystery unboxing, but it's all like cute Disney stuff, so like it can't go wrong and creepy, and like look how cute these scissors are. They're ice cream cone. But alright, so I got my bag here. There's a lot, and oh gosh, here we go. Okay, so let's see. Right now I already see one that I'm really excited because I have a Disney bound in the works for her. It is a cute Tinkerbell pen. Oh my god, I love it. So cute. Can we get that to focus real quick? So the first pen is this super cute Tinkerbell pen. I love it. I'm so obsessed. I am working on a Disney bound of her, and I'm really excited to put this in and wear it. Oh my god, that's gonna look so cute. Ah! I really need to do that bound before I don't have yellow hair anymore. It looks so cute with the yellow hair. Okay, so this is one I do already have, so I can pass it along, but I think it's really cute, and it's kind of perfect for a Toy Story Land opening. It is a little Woody hat. It's just a cute little hat that Woody would wear that is really cute and looks super cute for a Woody Disney bound, and it's just perfect. I cannot wait to go Toy Story Land. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm literally dying. Next pen is just actually kind of matches my hair a little. It's just this cute little greeny yellow Mickey. I think that's kind of really cute. He's just a little green guy hanging out, living his best life. The next pen is this really cute little Goofy hat pen. I really like this because I don't have a lot of Goofy stuff, and I love Goofy. It's just an orange and black hat, and it just has little Goofy's face on it. I wish it would just focus already, but it won't. There we go. So this is a really cute pen, this next one. It's just Goofy and a little Mickey hat. It's super simple, super cute. I'm really excited because I don't have a Goofy pen. This is gonna look really cute if I ever do a Goofy Disney bound. We have another Tinkerbell pen. Okay, this one's a little bit more simpler, and it's just kind of a silhouette version, but it's just a cute little green cameo silhouette of Tinkerbell. That's really cute. That'll be cute for the bound as well. Okay, so this next one I am super excited about because it's going to add to my Star Wars pen collection, and this is so cute. I have the other one of this, and this is the emblem of the Confederacy of the Independent System symbol. I really love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited to add this to my Star Wars pen collection. I hopefully can get the whole set soon. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so this next one is super cute. It is from the Vinylmation pen collection, and it is a little peg leg Pete. He's like black and white and super cute. I'm really excited about this one. It's one of the Tsum Tsum ones, and it's Star Wars. It's a little Jabba the Hutt. Oh my god, it is so cute. I love it. Oh my god, I can't believe I got one of these. Yes! Okay, I love it. I love it. Yay. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. Oh my god. Oh my god, this next one is super cute. Okay, this one might be my favorite. Oh my god. Oh, it's another Tsum Tsum one. I feel so lucky. It's a little Piglet and Pooh ice cream cone. How adorable. Oh my god, I love Piglet and Pooh so much. It is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, this is a really good one. I am being so lucky. Another really cute one after this one. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It is a little Mickey ice cream. It's too cute. I can't even. It is too cute. I'm so excited. These have been a good batch. Oh, this one's really cute too. It's a little Donald pin. And he's looking over and it says Donald Street. Oh god, I love this. It is so cute. I really like this, and I need to do a Donald Disney bound because that is adorable. Okay, so we have one of the skull ones coming up, and I believe that this one is Pluto. I could be wrong, but this looks like Pluto's coloring. It's got the yellow and the green and the black. And it's just a little Pluto, little skull and crossbones pen. Those are cute. Oh, we have a really cute one. It's Shelly May. Look how cute she looks. Oh my god. I wonder if there's a Duffy pin. That would be amazing. Oh, she's so cute. This is so cute. These are such a cute batch of pens. Yes. Oh, it's a Rescuer's pen. Oh my god. I am literally dying. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my god, if you don't like the Rescuers, like, who are you? Like, if you love the Rescuers, please comment down below. Tell me if you love them, because oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good. I am feeling so lucky right now. This is the best pen mystery thing that I think I've ever gotten in my life, and I'm dying. And oh, it's a little Sully. I don't have a Sully pen. Oh my god, I am working on a Sully Disney bound. Okay, we have a Cars one. It's of Mater, you know, a Tow Mater without the toe. It's a little Tow Mater right there. Here we go. There's Mater. That's cute. That's cute. I don't really have any Cars Disney bounds in the work, but I like, you know, it's alright. Oh, we have another Star Wars one. I'm being so lucky with the Star Wars pens today. Oh my gosh, yes, honey. Look, it's a little rebel symbol. Super cute. Oh, this is really cute. It's a little Dumbo pin, one of those simple ones, kind of like the Tinkerbell one. So it's just the outline of his head. Oh, I love it. I just did a freaking Dumbo Disney bound. It was one of my favorites, and it was really like a crowd pleaser too. A lot of people really liked it. I don't think a lot of people do Dumbo, but Dumbo! Yes! Oh, this one just makes me happy. This is cute. It's a little Walt Disney pin. It's just little Walt hanging out right here. Cute, I like it. It's a little Walt pin. Oh, we have another little classic Mickey. It's just a black and white Mickey Mouse. I don't have a black and white Mickey. That is really cute. I like him. That is super simple and super cute. It will kind of work with what I'm wearing, with my little mini dress that I'm wearing. Ooh, yes. I'm sorry if I'm talking really quiet. It's like 4 in the morning and I'm filming a pen haul. I'm just wide awake. I can't sleep. So, oh, another Star Wars pen. It's like a snowflake of R2-D2s. Oh my god, please focus. Please focus. You guys need to see how amazing this pen is because I love it so much. Oh my god, please tell me you can see that. That is so cool. That is so cool. Let me see. Does that work better? I'm trying not to show you my grimy fingers. That is way cool. That is so cool. That'll be my Christmas pen. Oh, another Donald. Oh. It's a little Donald cap. I have gotten the jackpot with this pen lot. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can't even. Okay, so this next one is like, you know, it's cute, but it's not what I would normally buy, and it's like, alright, yay, it's one of those like filler ones, but it's kind of cute. It's like a little set of grapes, and it's got a hidden Mickey in there, if you can see it. That is cute. It's just grapes with Mickey. Okay, so this next pen, I kind of looked it up because I didn't know what it was. I knew it was from Vinylmation, but I didn't get it, but it just says it's black and yellow Disney Vinylmation Junior. So it's just a little tiny black and yellow Vinylmation pen. He's cute. He's, you know, nothing special, but he's cute. Okay, so this next pen is a Figment pen. He is green. I have a couple from this collection, and it is from the Journey into the Imagination with Figment. You know, Figment of your imagination is that little guy. He's a little dragon, and I just dropped him. Whoops. But yes, that is really cute. This next one is just a little glove with its open palm. It's a Mickey glove. That's cute. We're coming down. We got 2 more left. So this first one is, oh, I don't like these ones. I'm not gonna lie. These aren't, I pass these off. These ones I do give away really easily, but it's like the little people and the Mickey hat ones, and it's a baby, and I don't like babies, so this one was a miss. Whatever. Alright. It's whatever. Babies. What you gonna do? I don't like them. I'm sorry. That oh god, I shouldn't say things like that. It's really offensive. I'm just not a baby person, okay? I'm sorry. Okay, what's this? Okay, this is the best pen. This is the best one. Best one. Oh my god, worth every freaking penny. Oh my gosh. It's a lantern from Tangled. I love Tangled, and I actually am working on a really cute Rapunzel Disney bound that I'm really excited about because I love Punzi. Oh my god, this makes me so happy because I love Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just really excited. This is super cute. I have gotten so lucky. Oh my god. This is just great. I am just so happy with this. I am feeling so lucky. This was such a great batch of mystery pens. Oh my god, yes. I am so excited that I have more pens to add to my collection, and they are all super cute, and I can add them for Disney bounds. Yeah, this was a good round of mystery pens, and I really hope you guys like this. If you guys want to see a Disney pen collection, please comment down below, let me know, and also tell me how you feel about this Disney corner that I'm kind of working on. I thought it would be kind of a cute place to film my Disney videos and just Disney collections and hauls and all things Disney because I love Disney. So I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I would just be super rad of you guys and just mean so much to me. And if you guys want to see any more Disney videos, please comment down below with what you would like to see. Would you like to see my other collections like my Tsum Tsums or my headbands or Disney bounds or just Disney tips or tricks, just anything Disney. I love Disney. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys stay lovely. Bye!